Day 3 of Asante Kotoko training ahead of Accra Sofo game eba so and then our chair no echo so. Obeka say Monday na Kotoko resume here on the short Justice Blay, yes. Oh no. Na Abranti on the screen sui. Your friend no X-Mart, yes. Or your right left back defender, yeah, left back sign no from Lone Jail Hilal no ɔna na ɛda screen no so no nti day 3 of the training no ɛkɔ so Kumasi Asante Kotoko Frederick Asare in action ɔmo hyɛ yellow bib no you can see Peter Amidu akwa there and this player he has been promoted into Kotoko mid side nti ɔbɔ training with the mid side no ɔmo hyɛ blue bib no obi hyɛ blue bib bia ohunu screen no so no from the youth side actually nti ɛno ne the difference kakra ɛwɔ mu no so Henry Anso na tackle wɔ hɔ no ɛna ohuno we ɔyɛ new guy and from the youth team nti ɔhyɛ blue beba ɔyɛ from the youth team smart the left back Kotoko assign from Al Hilal on a loan deal on a whole screen so Justice Blaze on a ɛwɔ Henry Anso and Frederick Asare ɛna ɔmo screen so no we ɔyɛ from the youth team on that screen so no behind nti menu ɔhyɛ yellow babe ɛwɔ hɔ nti Kotoko training no ɛkɔ so ahead of the Democracy Cup ɛba so Wednesday ɛna saa particular game no ɛba so den ɛwɔ Nkran nti day 3 training no ɛkɔ so smoothly with these players now it is expected say Thursday Kotoko ɛbɛ announcement and Friday na Kotoko another announcement regarding to players omo gusu omo sign no details be updates be near the details no ebe bro elfia